welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be making Jamaican fried dumpling. So what I'll be doing now, I'm just gonna add 4 cups of flour. I just want to thank you all for your support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. I love you all. All right, so I just want to sieve my flour out so it can get light and fluffy. So now I'm just going to add my ingredients into my flour. So I have some baking powder, so that's 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I have some room temperature butter, so I have 3 tablespoons of room temperature butter there. So we're also going to add that to our flour. And I have some granulated sugar, so that's 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So I'm going to add some salt, so I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt, my granulated sugar. I'm also going to add my baking powder to my flour. Then I'm going to add my butter to it. So what we're going to do, we're just going to combine everything together because we're looking for like a breadcrumbs texture. Okay guys, so I have a cup of water. I'm just going to add it gradually. So guys, for me, the softer the dough is the better the dumpling. So I always make it a little softer and it comes out perfect. So look at that, guys, my dough is forming very nicely. So that you want your dough to look like that. Okay guys, so that's my dough. So you want your dough to look just like that, guys. Very nice. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna place this in the refrigerator for overnight. So if you have your dough, it's best to make it and leave it for overnight. You get a nice texture. Or you can make your dough and leave it for 30 minutes before you prepare it. So I'm going to leave that for overnight and I'll be back to show you how I'm going to prepare this dough. Okay, so this is after my dough is in the fridge for overnight. So what you're going to do now, you can use a cutting board or a clean surface to prepare this dough. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little flour on it. So I'm just going to roll my dough. Okay, you just want to spread the flour evenly on the board. Stretch your dough and then you're just going to roll it. So you're just going to roll it like that. Okay, so you're gonna get another container with a little flour on it. So you're just gonna roll your dough into a ball. And then you're gonna place it on your container because the reason for the flour on the container, you don't want it to be the flour to stuck on the container. So So guys, I have 4 cups of oil in my pot, so you don't need your stove to be on high. So at this point my stove is on low because you don't want to put your dumplings into a hot pot of oil. So you don't need your oil to be hot. So this is after 6 minutes into the pot. Look how nice those are. So you need your dumplings to be golden brown. So I'm just giving them a turn. So I give them a turn like every 5 minutes. So you're gonna fry your dumpling until they're golden brown. Look how beautiful those are. So as I said before, you don't need your oil to be very hot. So you need your dumpling to fry inside and out, so it's not raw. So outside is cooked and inside is not cooked. So after the first 5 minutes of frying your dumplings, you're gonna turn your stove and medium. So now that my dumplings are finished, I'm just gonna remove them and place them into a container to remove the excess oil from the dumplings. So that's all you want your dumplings to look, guys. Very nice. Okay guys, so this is the dumpling now, so I'm gonna test it, guys. Look how soft this is. Very nice. This is beautiful. You should try this recipe, guys. Guys, if you've reached this far, here's a digital phone card. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.